Hey guys, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll share the tutorial of drawing the outline of Radha Krishna. Basically, I'm drawing a Radha Krishna painting for the event of Holi. And in this tutorial, I'll share the outline drawing. You can see I have already pasted the reference image on the left corner of the video. And first I have started marking the midpoint of the page by drawing two diagonals, and the intersection of the two diagonals is the midpoint of the page, and through that midpoint I drew a horizontal line for the labeling of the faces. And now I'm drawing the basic outline structure of the faces, and then I'll start drawing the facial features. So I'm observing every detail in the reference image, and then I'm drawing each and every features of the face and every structures. And for doing this, you have to keep a lot of patience in your mind, because you can see that every time I'm making mistakes and I'm removing the mistakes with eraser, and then again I'm drawing. So this is how you achieve the face by freehand. Well, this is a freehand drawing, and I suggest you to go for freehand drawing and not for the grid ones, because by freehand drawing only you can develop your art skills. In the beginning, it might look like that you are not able to draw exactly what is shown in the picture, but trust me, keep drawing, keep practicing, then you can easily draw exactly as it is in the picture. You can say I'm also drawing in the same way. I'm observing each and every detail of the picture, and then I'm drawing it. And whenever it feels like that it's not the same as a picture, like it happens when you draw, you will feel that in the drawing it's missing. So then I observe the picture again very minutely, and then I draw it. I have pasted the link of this reference image in the description. You can check out the link and try this drawing on your own. And if you really find this video interesting, please comment below your thoughts and like and share this video. Well, in this painting tutorial I am showing the outline only, and in the next video I'll share how I'll be painting this with Holi colors, the colors with which we play Holi. And if you try this art, please share your artwork with me in my Instagram DM. The link is there in the description. And if you really enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss a new video. And keep watching this video to see the final results.